Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when using tech devices. Picture this. You're working on an important project on your computer, and suddenly, without any warning, it crashes and shuts down on you. The frustration kicks in, and you begin to wonder what could have caused this annoying problem to occur. Yes, you've guessed it, the problem we're tackling today is the dreaded blue screen of death. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. In the event of a blue screen of death, the best course of action is to restart your computer. This is a simple yet effective solution that often resolves the problem and allows you to continue your work without any further interruptions. Remember, sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes to get your computer back on track. In addition to restarting your computer, another useful solution to consider is checking for any recent hardware or software changes. If you recently installed new hardware or software in a computer, this could be the root cause of the blue screen of death. By uninstalling the problematic software or removing the new hardware, you may be able to prevent the issue from occurring again in the future. It's all about troubleshooting and identifying the source of the problem. In summary, encountering the blue screen of death can be a frustrating experience, but with the simple solutions we've discussed, you can tackle this problem head-on. Remember to restart your computer and investigate any recent changes to prevent future occurrences of this pesky issue. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your tech troubles. Remember, we're in this together.